So, you decided to install Tooun's Quick Change Armor mod, but now you want to add all of those armor/outfit mod items into their own categories within Q.C.A. Well, this is a video for you. First things first, you're going to need a few things in order to do this. You're going to need Fallout 4 Edit, Q.C.A. obviously, the Q.C.A. config file to find the keywords, either def UI and a sorter mod for def UI, or fall UI and its fall UI item sorter mod. And lastly, a way to view the XML file. I'll be using Visual Studio Code in this guide, but you can use any text editor that supports XML or just Microsoft Edge. Now let's get to it. So first you're going to need to open up the XML file of both the config from Tooun's Q.C.A. config file as well as whatever sorter mod you have, which is typically found in the mods in your sorter mods folder, interface, and finally item sorter. So let's get right to it. So in my example, I'll be using fall UI item sorter. You'll find wherever the mod is located, open it, go into interface, item sorter, and here you'll find the XML file. Now you'll double click it, right click it, open with, whatever. Just open it up and get that set up. Next thing you're going to want to do is go to where you have the Q.C.A. custom classification config. Open that up, go to data, interface, you just follow along, and open this up as well. Now, what you'll see here is it can be kind of daunting to look at, but it is really simple. So we got the config and the item sorter right here. I got them separated for ease of use. Now what you're going to need to do, what you're going to want to do is you need to find the tag you're looking for depending on the armor piece. So if it's a helmet, you need to find the right tag. So we'll control F, type in MAR or whatever. This is what it shows up for me. And then you'll find where all of it is stored. So right here, these are all the keywords that can be used for helmets. In my case, we'll be using armor helmet. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find where that is stored in the item sorters category, which thankfully the creator with this XML file separated it all into its own categories. So we'll find it here in armor. Now we're looking for the armor helmet. Now the icon right here is tagged full helm, which is right here. We can do full helm, armor helmet, whatever's in this list. If it's not in this list for helmets, can't do it, as far as I know. Now you're going to need to open up Fallout 4 Edit. You can do this via your mod manager, which I'm using Mod Organizer too. Run Fallout 4 Edit. Get it all loaded up. Let's see here. Now that we have it loaded, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to right click and select None. Find the outfit mod you're going to be editing. For this example, I'll be using Nexus PMC. Actually, that's not a good idea. In this example, we will be using, what was it? No. I'll be using Tactical Surplus Mil-Spec Armor Pack. Now what you're going to do is you're going to load that. You don't need to load anything else, just the outfit mod that you're going to be editing. Now this process, depending on how many outfit mods you'll take, will take forever. Since I'm just loading one, bam. Now what you're going to do is you're going to expand it in the left pane right here. Go to Armor and find the piece that you're going to edit. I already did that for a couple things, such as the Cry Precision Gen 4. Now what I did, because I haven't gotten around to finishing this all yet, is you just open it, you click it, and you'll have this pane show up. Now what you need to do is you need to look for this, full dash name. Once you find it, click in the right side where the name of the outfit is. You get a right click, click edit. Now what you need to do is right before the start of it, put in brackets, open bracket, full outfit in this exact form, close bracket, space. So it looks exactly like this if you're using this pack. It'd be the same for anything else. The tag, space, and then the rest of the name. Click OK. Click Save. In this case, I already did it, so I don't need to do anything else. Close it up. And then what you're going to need to do is boot up Fallout 4. Okay, and we're back. So, now that we loaded in, open up the quick change menu, and then go into the category you put the armor in. Like I said, like I did with the Gen 4 combat uniform, now it is here, and that is all you needed to do. If you have any issues where some of this doesn't actually work, and the tag you chose doesn't want to show up, make sure you close Fallout 4 Edit before. Make sure you saved and then close Fallout 4 Edit before you open up your game. If it still doesn't work, try fiddling with other keywords. If you find a keyword that works, you should be using that one for whatever armor you are using. That's all there it is. That's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, because I know I would have been glad to have this when I started messing with the categories. If you enjoyed this guide, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anybody else who's having the same issues as I was. Don't forget to give Tooun some love for these cool mods, and enjoy your treacherous journey throughout the Commonwealth. See y'all next time.